allotments. I'm going to give you a view of our new way into the allotment. Right, this is our new entrance into our allotment. We're going to disappear with the sun now, so we're going pretty dark. So, sorry for my thumb there, we'll come up here now. Other people's allotments either side of it. As you see, we've got Danno there in front, leading the way. There's some chickens. This is where the new fence starts. Danno's going to open the gate for it. And there's a tree smack in front of where, as I said, when they put this up, they didn't think of the tree. So you open the gate and you're straight into a tree. But this is our new entrance. We can drop down here a bit to get round the tree, climb up and around. And there we are. So do a little bit more video later on over the next couple of days, and probably get it put up here Tuesday night. So bye for now. This is what we've harvested today. Second early potatoes, and he's taking some lettuce for his mother. So that's what we've done today. That's as well as other work we've been doing today. And that what our garden looks from like now. It's getting a lot better. Put a load of weed killer down at the top there, so hopefully that'll clear that area for us. So do another video when I'm down here on Monday for what else we're doing, and so catch you then. Today we're going to take this netting off, clear this. Friggin' red hot down here, Maggie. The stuff that's in the little thing, there's plants in there ready to be transplanted into here and over there. So that's what we're going to be doing within the next few hours, I hope. As I say, it depends on how long we can go with this heat. The lettuces are doing brilliant. And in amongst that lot there's beetroot. Flipping weeds, flipping murder. Dug some of my potatoes up, so I've took some potatoes home, which I showed you the other day. Don't need any more yet, so what I want to do is get a couple of hessian sacks so I can dig the rest up and put them in the hessian sacks and put them in our cool shed. So do a little bit more video later on, so catch you again soon. Hi everyone, Dave here. We've just done a little bit planting here. Is sprouts at the top and kale, red cabbage and white cabbage. We've just done this bed. Peas are growing over there. Along here we dug the leeks up from the other bed because it was getting overgrown, and we've put our leeks down in next to where our potatoes are, where we've been digging up potatoes. So hopefully that'll help them grow in a better bed. Moving rubbish over there again, so we're clearing everything so that Dean can put a gate through into ours. And so that's it. Do another video again probably next week and see how things are going from then. So don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, hit that subscription button, and we'll see you again in a week's time. So bye for now.